It is October 16th, and they already, well, they want our money so bad.
Right here, then you're gonna do 1, 2, 3.
All right, so it's the assistant to the regional manager here. The bed is almost done. It'll be done by tonight.
All right, guys, so let's get right into it. So the first thing I had to do was measure the size of my queen mattress and create an opening for that. So that's what you're looking at here. And this stuff right here is just me screwing that rough opening together. So it's just a simple screw-in process, right? All I did was just pre-drill so my screws wouldn't split the wood. And I use 4-inch screws for this part right here. You want to do the honors, boo?
Take a drill, take a screw, put that thing in there nicely. Oh, some of y'all men don't even know how to do this. Line it up real nice. We already did the pre-drilling. All right, ready? You do a little pulsation first. Boom, 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 boom. Then you just drill that thing. See that? That's how you do it, ladies.
Woo!
Then, just go back to the kitchen like nothing happened.
Ah! What they say? Get you a girl that can do both. That's what they say? Yeah, man, we locked and loaded, baby. Locked and loaded. The design for my bed frame, I decided to go with a floating edge. So you see me just measuring the sizes that I need so that the edges actually hang over, and you have that nice floating edge look. So fast forwarding just a little bit, now that I have the base painted and I have my floating edge painted, it's time to install it. So you just see a simple pre-drill and then screwing the floating edge into the base of it. Then I have these brackets I put on the bottom here. That's just to help hold up the floating edge. That way, so if I put my feet on it or whatnot, it won't just flip over. Now I'm just getting into the process of cutting lengths and sizes that I need for my headboard, which you will see in just a minute, but I chose to go with like a tongue and groove flat surface and then do a shelf on top of it. So as you can see, that's the tongue and groove part. That's where my head will lay, and just on top of that is where my shelf gonna be. So it's about a 12 to 14 inch opening for the shelf. Man, even just watching this over again, it's just getting me excited. This was so much fun to do. To kind of just use my skills, to yeah, this was really fun. So what I'm looking at on the inside is I'm using a small level. That way, just to make sure that the shelf is actually straight and it's not leaning. So if I put something on it, it won't slide down on me, Now that I got the headboard built and I got it the right size, now I can start painting. So on top of the finished coat of paint, I had to put a clear coat of sealer on here. That way, you know, the paint won't, you know, deteriorate easily, and you know, if I drop something on it, it won't easily just chip the paint off. So this way, I put it on there to seal it.
Not working out for me. Yeah.
This is the finished product. Oh man, this feels literally like amazing, y'all. Oh my god. Yeah, man, that's awesome, man, to be able to put my skills to work like this. So let's look. Just two more pillows. And I ordered king size pillow, but I had no idea it was this big. I'm gonna have to buy more pillows just so they can fit inside this freaking case. But y'all, this is my bed. Oh, I got one more thing to show y'all. Check me out. Probably my favorite part of the bed, but there we go. Would you look at that? Woo! Now that is lit. Oh my god. And I can change the colors on this thing, man. See that? Oh man, that's. You got different settings up in here. Is it cyan? How you pronounce it? But yeah, that's my favorite color right there. Get a thing to pull some purple. Woo! That is so lit. See how fast it is, but I can slow it down. Yeah, man, that's pretty lit. Yep, so this is my bed to completion. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Please hit the notification bell so that way you can get notified every time I drop a lit video just like this one right here. You know what I'm saying? So leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Man, that's it. That's the one. Peace.